Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you to Joy Geeks, a channel where I create beauty and wellness videos, really exploring beauty inside out. I made a skincare, hair care, bath care, empties video earlier, and as soon as I finished it, in the next 2 hours I discovered a whole new bunch of empties that I had kept aside, which I completely forgot. So this is going to be part 2 of that same product empties, and I'm going to again go through it quickly. I'll try to showcase the product and speak about why I like the product, whether I'm going to buy it again, or how I feel about it. Okay, so let me begin. The first thing I want to talk about is this. Have a look at this. This is the neem and turmeric pack that I consume regularly. I don't know where the other pack is of neem. Every month I have a new bottle which gets over, and this is actually for your entire health, but definitely because you're having neem and turmeric, it makes your skin glow. It makes your skin clean and, purifies it. So in skincare empties, this definitely needs to get featured, right? There is a neem one also, and these capsules are completely vegetarian. You open it up and you can get the fresh neem and turmeric powder. The outside capsule of it also actually dissolves in water quickly. So if you have any such worry about that, I think you should let go of it. Let's move on to, I had shown some of these faces products that day as well. This is the Mousse face wash. I've used it, it was fine, but I'm not going to buy this again. I have a whole video on the Urban Balance range. I actually liked it. I like the oil which I still use. The Skin Comfort Serum is beautiful actually. You should check this out because now it's summer. This would be so lovely for summertime. So this I would still tell you to try out for sure. And the other one is also this. This I had really loved. This is the Epic Skin face wash from Faces Again. Very, very nice product. I think you can just go and get this. It's very summery, very fresh feeling. I had really liked this. It says restoring face wash for combination skin. Yeah, I have normal skin, by the way. So when I'm recommending the rest of it, you'd know whatever I've finished. Again, this I think I'll have a couple of bottles emptied out. I've kept one to show you guys. This is the Faces Daily Double Makeup Removing and Cleansing Foam. So I've also made a review on this product. You can check that out. This won't take care of your very thick mascara, or if you're having a very thick, like a strong liquid lip. This won't take care of that, but still I find it very good because at the end of whatever, I remove on my face, I still end up cleansing my face with this, and I think this is the finishing touch for it. So I prefer to, use that for sure. I've spoken about this in that video also, so I'm going to skip through this now. This is definitely one of the best micellar waters to remove makeup, fuss free, and does it well. It removes waterproof makeup also, and it's for all skin types. It doesn't dry my skin out. I heavily recommend the Garnier micellar water. Oil infused micellar water is what I normally use. There's another one which does not have the oil. I don't end up using that. Okay, this is a product which you don't get here actually. I'd got this from Sephora when I went to Singapore, I think. But this is a beautiful, beautiful product. It's a brand called Caudalie. It's a beauty elixir. It's a spray actually. The quality of the spray is so good. It's just like a even mist on your face, and that girl in the store had heavily recommended this to me, so I said, okay, let me get a small one. But this was really good. Of course, it's a bit pricey, but if you are anywhere around Sephora and you want to try out a new skin mist, you should definitely try this Caudalie out. Yeah. Okay, this is what is this called? Body butter from Studio West. It's a honey and straw berry, but honestly I've finished this. This is something my daughter had got actually, but I don't think we'll be repurchasing this ever because I don't think it was absorbing that well, so it's not something we'll go for a second round of. If you like this video so far, guys, hit on the like button and consider subscribing if you would like to see more of these videos. Also, that notification bell, ta-dang, that will help you not miss future posts. Okay, now this is the Wanderlust range from Nykaa. This is a bath gel, and honestly, I have used this in all the fragrances. This is Sicilian Sweet Pea. This is my most favorite. I love how mild this is. This is not something that dries up our skin. I thought this was quite reasonably priced as well. So definitely I would like to buy more of these, the Wanderlust series. There is a lavender one, there is a Japanese blossom, there's a jasmine one. I love all of their shower gels. So I will definitely go and get some more when I need. Okay, now this is the only anti-aging cream that I have ever used, and I have shared this with you guys earlier. This is from Wild Earth, and I have a few of these bottles because I have regularly used this. I really like this because I feel that it really takes care of the skin, especially during winters. I can wear it all day and night, and otherwise if I'm sleeping in AC or something in summers, I can apply this in the night too. If you have dry skin, you will find that you can wear it all day, and anybody who has tried this swears by it and feels fresh, and you just feel like your skin is pampered when you use this. So that's really nice. And this is another one from Wild Earth. This is the body butter, peach and what is it called, peach, grapes and cherry blossom. Very nice. I like how mild the fragrance is of this, and thickly moisturizing without making it chip on the outside, without making you feel heavy or sweaty when you apply this on your skin. So full points for this. Definitely, you can see I've already repurchased this. This also, I've got a couple of bottles. I've just saved one of each to just show you guys actually, but if I had to really store everything that I have used up, it would be quite a lot. This is Isha's Sandalwood Moisturizing Lotion. If you are looking for something which is mild, which is gentle on your skin, which has this, kind of an Ayurvedic base to it, but at the same time smelling really nice. The sticker has kind of gone off. This is from Isha Craft Products. It's really nice. I think this is one of the most favorite moisturizing lotion I have used, which is very thin for summers and stuff. It's very nice. You will not feel heavy at all. If you have very oily skin, or you're scared of using very thick lotions, you should try this. And okay, now all the prices and all of that, I will share links in the description box. Please check that out, because most of these products are on heavy discount on Nykaa. I don't want to put up prices which won't be true, so I won't be doing that. Now this is a hair oil. Now okay, this is in this form, but this is a hair oil that everybody in my house has used. What is it? It's just called hair oil. It says strengthens and shines. You can see the cover. It's really nice. I like Aroma Magic products. I like the hair oils. The other hair oil, oh god, this is going to be like, it's going to look very bad because it's an oil product. I love this oil, Revitalizing Hair Oil. I have been using this particular oil for a really long time. This is Aroma Therapy Oils. Very nice products. Both my daughters have also used this, and they have also loved it. Their hair has always turned out lovely when they have used these oils. You should check this out and see if this works for you, because I really like this. The next one is from Kama. This is their rose water. Again, I'll have a lot of these bottles actually. Beautiful spray, and this rose water feels very fresh on the face. Anybody who has used this once, I am sure you must comment and let me know. Whoever has used this one, you can't stop at just one. And I'll tell you something, you have the small one, which is I think for 250, and then you have a bigger one. And generally when you buy a bigger bottle, it's cheaper, right? But then I went to the store, I did the math, and I realized it's the same cost actually. So I went for the smaller one. because it takes a long time for it to finish A, and secondly I can travel with it. So I would think that you should just keep buying the smaller one unless at some point they re-look at the pricing. Now this is Kama's anti-acne cleansing foam. This is something that we had got for my daughter. To be very honest, I wouldn't be able to judge and tell you if it did well for anti-acne because my daughter is at a stage where she is going to get some face texture and stuff. So we use this, but I think she liked it also. But I'm not sure I can tell you for sure that this took a lot of care of acne. But this is with neem, tulsi and tea tree, so it's worth a try, I would say, because Kama products are really good. I loved the feel on my face. I had loved it when I used it, and I'm generally a Kama fan, so and this again I did show in my last video. There are 2 more bottles of this. This is the Kaya hair health gel, yeah. This has this dispenser. I use this regularly, so I've had 2 of this. I had mentioned you have to just take a little, rub on your scalp. The next morning you can just rinse it off if you want, or you can use a mild shampoo. And instead of oil, I prefer to use this regularly. I think I use oil once in 2 weeks, and I use this more often. This is also something I showed, and this I found 1 more bottle of. This is the nourishing shampoo, but this is a mild shampoo, so you can check this out. If somebody wants to wash their hair more often, then you can try that. Okay, there are 2 more products from Kaya. Deep Nourish elbow and foot cream from Kaya. To be very honest, I don't think I'll be really buying this again. This is okay. It says with shea butter and coconut oil for all skin types, but I don't want to buy this again because I didn't feel it was very matte on the outside. I don't think it was. It did make my skin smooth, but I want something to really get absorbed, and I shouldn't feel it on the outside. So that didn't happen with this, so I don't want to buy this again. But this is something I have always, from the beginning of my channel, I have been talking about Kaya Brightening and Firming Eye Serum. This is very nice. I have a couple of more bottles of this, so you should check this out. It's a nice one. It's a dropper format. Yeah, you have this dropper which you take. Now this is over, and then you can just take 1 drop, which works for both your eyes. This is, I don't know, it was some $900, but it really lasts a long time. Your whole family can use it, so you should consider getting this if you have under eye puffiness and all of those things. What does it say? It's for all skin types, brightening and firming eye serum. So you should check that out. So I guess these were some of the other skin products, skin and hair and bath and body products that I wanted to show you guys, and I missed last video. So this is where it is. I've completed that. You should let me know what are your favorite skincare items, what new stuff I should try. I always love to get your recommendations and know what's rocking for you guys. So do let me know. Yeah, that's it. See you.